Hello everybody, my name is Lauren. I am 22 years old and today I got my big fat positive pregnancy test. So I thought I would share what I experienced during my 2-week wait, and also I kind of want to just film my whole pregnancy and to document it and look back on it, and yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna start with my symptoms. I'm gonna go kind of in chronological order, but I do not have the exact DPO days, so sorry about that. But these all occurred during the 2-week wait before my missed period. I have about 10 of them. So I'll start with number 1. My first one was overwhelming fatigue and occasional dizziness. So when I was at work, I would start to just get really dizzy and hot, and no explanation for it. And I feel like that was just my blood pressure dropping. I don't know, I'm not a doctor. Then I would also just feel tired all the time during the first week of my 2-week wait. So that's not really abnormal for me. So I didn't really think I was like pregnant at that point. Another one, sorry if this is TMI, but I had diarrhea very frequently and randomly, like on a Tuesday and then on a Thursday and then Sunday, like random times. But I didn't also think that was a pregnancy symptom. I just thought like I caught a bug or whatever, because the kid I was working with at the time was sick. So I was like, okay, whatever. Another one was cramping. I had cramps like all in my abdominal, lower pelvic area. I didn't have any specific sides until later, like now. It's more on my right side, a little bit of cramping. But cramping is kind of just like, okay. But cramping is also not a symptom of PMS for me, because I never cramp. So I thought that was a little red flag for me, I guess. I also had spouts of nausea randomly. It would just kind of come and go. Wasn't always in the morning. Sometimes it would happen at night or in the middle of the day, but nothing too crazy. I had a miscarriage in January, and this symptom I noticed then and now, which I haven't heard anyone talk about before, but that is greasy hair. I used to be able to go 3 to 4 days without showering, 3 to 4 days without washing my hair. And now I have to wash it every other day because it gets so incredibly greasy, and I guess that's just because of the increase of hormones. So I thought that was kind of interesting. When I started noticing that, I was like, okay, probably pregnant, but I'm not going to get my hopes up until later, I also have an increase of appetite. I am so hungry all the time, like on the hour, every hour, no matter how much I eat, no matter what I eat. And I thought that was definitely a sign that I was pregnant, because that's not a PMS sign for me. I honestly don't get PMS signs at all. So experiencing all these things, I was like, probably pregnant. I also have a heightened sense of smell. I don't have any specific examples to give you, because it happened like a couple of days ago. I started noticing a little bit, and I have horrible memory, so I can't like pinpoint something, but that is something I've also noticed. I'm peeing a lot more. I don't know if like all these symptoms are in my head because I'm symptom spotting, because I didn't think all these symptoms started until later on in the pregnancy, but peeing a lot more. Mood swings. Bless my husband. One specific day I remember being so irritated and so mean and impatient, and that's not normal for me at all. So I'm like, okay, why can't I control my emotions right now? So that was one of them. And also I was watching Harry Potter Deathly Hallows Part 1. And 2 parts of the movie I started tearing up because of whatever the situation was, and I am not one to cry, especially during a movie. So that was another one. My breasts, my boobies are very tender now. Just I started noticing them becoming very full and like coming from the side and like radiating down. So that was obviously another one. And my final symptom was my missed period. Yeah, my missed period. So that's all my symptoms from the day of ovulation to my missed period. I don't know if I'm symptom spotting, but that's all that happened in my body, my craziness. Yeah, so I will keep this channel updated with progressions and doctor's appointments and bump update. I have no bump, obviously. So yeah, hope you guys liked it. I hope maybe it helps someone feel like they're not alone or anything. If you guys have any questions for me, just leave a comment down below and I will get back to it. Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.